Is Pixlr running slowly on your computer? Maybe tools are lagging, images take forever to load, or the editor feels unresponsive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr's slow performance issues in 2026 and make the editor run more smoothly. So let's get started. First, test your internet connection. Since Pixlr is a web-based editor, a slow or unstable connection can affect loading times and AI-powered features. Next, close any browser tabs you don't need. Having too many tabs open can consume memory and reduce overall performance. Large images require more processing power. If you're editing high-resolution files, try resizing them before making extensive edits. Yeah, this can make a noticeable difference. Old browser data can sometimes slow down web applications. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and then reopen Pixlr. Browser extensions can consume resources and interfere with performance. Temporarily disable extensions you don't need and test Pixlr again. Check your browser settings and make sure hardware acceleration is enabled. This allows your computer's graphics hardware to help process visual tasks. Running an outdated browser can cause compatibility and performance issues. Install the latest browser updates and then reopen Pixlr. If Pixlr still feels slow, test it in another browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari can perform differently depending on your device. Applications running in the background may be using valuable system resources. Close programs you aren't actively using to free up memory and processing power. If performance problems appear suddenly, Pixlr's servers could be experiencing high traffic or maintenance. Sometimes the slowdown isn't coming from your device at all. And that's how to fix Pixlr's slow performance issues in 2026. Most speed problems can be solved by reducing image sizes, clearing browser data, freeing up system resources, and keeping your browser updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.